Installing WordPress on A2 hosting is quick and beginner friendly. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, log into your A2 hosting customer portal. Once you're in, head to cPanel. You'll find it under your account details or hosting dashboard. Inside cPanel, scroll down to the Softaculous apps installer section. Click on the WordPress icon. This will open up the WordPress installation screen. Now, click the install now button. Choose your domain from the drop down. This is where your WordPress site will live. Make sure the URL is correct. Leave the directory field blank if you want it on the main domain. Next, set your site name and description. Then choosing a strong admin username and password. This is how you log into your WordPress dashboard later. You can also pick up your preferred language and then select a theme, but you can change these anytime after installation. Once everything looks good, click install. It will take less than a minute. When it's done, you'll see a link to your new WordPress site and your login page. That's it. WordPress is now live on your A2 hosting account. Check the description for any tools or themes I recommend, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tutorials.